Imagine a pantry that is always full, always ready to supply what you need. Now, imagine if you kept taking from it without ever restocking. What would happen eventually? Overfishing depletes fish populations by removing fish faster than they can reproduce and replenish their numbers, leading to a decline that can severely impact the entire marine ecosystem. This imbalance threatens not only the fish themselves but also the many other species that depend on them for food, altering the delicate balance of ocean life. The core mechanism is simple supply and demand, but with a critical biological twist. Every species of fish has a natural rate at which it can reproduce and grow. When we extract fish from the ocean at a rate that consistently exceeds this natural capacity, the population inevitably shrinks. Think of it like taking money from a bank account faster than you deposit it. Eventually, the balance drops significantly. Modern fishing technologies, such as large trawlers and advanced sonar, have become incredibly efficient, allowing vessels to find and catch enormous quantities of fish, sometimes indiscriminately. This efficiency means that even if a species is declining, it can still be targeted and caught in large numbers. Another significant factor is the targeting of older, larger fish. These mature individuals are often the most reproductively active, contributing significantly to the next generation. Removing them disproportionately impacts the population's ability to bounce back. Moreover, certain fishing practices result in what is known as bycatch. This is the accidental capture of non-target species, including juvenile fish, marine mammals, and sea turtles, which are often discarded, further exacerbating the problem. Habitat destruction caused by bottom trawling, for example, can also wipe out crucial breeding grounds and nurseries, making it even harder for fish stocks to recover. So, what can you do to help? A powerful way to contribute is by making informed choices about the seafood you consume. Look for certifications from organizations like the Marine Stewardship Council, or check seafood guides that recommend sustainable options. These guides often categorize fish based on their population health and fishing methods. Supporting policies that advocate for marine protected areas and stricter fishing quotas also makes a difference in protecting vulnerable stocks. Did you know that some fish populations have collapsed by as much as 90% in just a few decades due to overfishing? There's also a major unseen problem called ghost fishing. This refers to lost or abandoned fishing gear, like nets and traps, which continue to catch fish and other marine life indefinitely. This gear acts as a silent killer long after it is left behind, contributing significantly to population decline even without active human presence. Understanding how overfishing works and actively choosing sustainable seafood, along with supporting protective measures, allows us to contribute to healthier, more resilient ocean ecosystems. By doing so, we ensure that our oceans remain as vibrant and teeming with life for generations to come, providing a balanced pantry for all.